Okay, y'all. We are moving on to New Year's Eve. Now, Jill Hires gave me this peeler, and it's for things with thin skins, and it peels so easy. So I needed the skin, leaving as much pith on the lemon as I could, because we don't want any part of that because it's very bitter. So this peeler works out real well. You can see on my rind that there's no pith. No pith. I feel like I'm trying to say a word that I can't pronounce. Pith. 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 All right. We are going to make a syrup because, like I said, we've moved on to New Year's Eve, y'all. And we've got to have a celebratory drink, right? Which I don't know a whole lot about. That's why I got Eddie here as my backup man. I can do this, but when we involve the alcohol, then Eddie's going to come in and help me. All right, so I got my lemon rind here. I've got fresh frozen strawberries. So they'll cook up very, very nice. I've got my sugar and I've got my water.
And Paula, let them know we're only doing a half.
Yes, we're just doing a half a recipe because the three of us certainly don't need to be drunk in the middle of the afternoon. Does everybody agree? Because I can take a sip and feel it. Such a lightweight. All right, so it's going to take about 20 minutes, and we just want to do this on a nice slow boil. And you can do this way early in the day and have this part done. So when right before guests arrive, you can have this bubbly, cold beverage ready for people that come in from 0-degree weather. A nice cold drink. People are gonna love this New Year's Eve drink, the champagne. All right, so I've let this cook. When we let it cook? About 20 minutes. And you see how the strawberries are all mushed. But now I'm gonna run it through a strainer.
And Paula, let them know I did use a potato masher
Yes, we did.
to smash up the strawberries.
As they were cooking, we hit it around. I just don't want to. You know what? One day we need to make some more candied orange peels. Remember how delicious they are? Oh, I could eat those like candy. Y'all know me. I want to get every drop. Every drop. So now, once I get these all drained, we're going to put it in the refrigerator and chill it.
And then Eddie's favorite part comes to play.
Yes, and then Eddie's joining me for the good part, y'all. Eddie, I think we ought to save this and might want to put a little dollop on top of our champagne glasses, you think? Oh, he went. Now it is time for the experts to come in. I know to stay in my lane, y'all. Now, Eddie, he can work 2 or 3 lanes at the same time, but not me. I kind of have one lane. So he's going to finish up this champagne punch for me.
All right, well, you've already done the hard part.
Champagne Royale.
All we have to do is blend it all together.
Yeah. This is our syrup that we made, and it's nice and syrupy. We've got our lemon juice. Glop, 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 glop. You know what? I do like the taste of champagne, a good champagne. But, ooh, honey. It'll bite you. Is that the whole bottle?
That's the whole bottle. Doesn't look like it.
Wow, it sure doesn't.
Remember, we made a half batch.
Oh, that's right. That's right. In goes the lemon juice. More bubbles. And in goes the syrup. Wow. Wow. And more bubbles. More bubbles. Wow.
All right. These aren't the champagne glasses, but they're kind of, some
They look like it to me.
vintage martini glasses.
Oh, okay.
We don't have any of those old fashioned champagne.
I don't know if I know what it looks like. Is it like
It's kind of like a little bowl
a
on top.
bowl? I
um,
thought they were tall and skinny. Thank you. Okay. Happy New Year to one of my most wonderful friends that I have. One of the most wonderful person that I know. Thank you, Eddie.
and all the new ones you will meet.
Yes.
Now this is your style. I mean, you like the
I can sip on a sissy drink.
yes.
This ain't your style though, is it? You're not crazy about champagnes, are you?
I like champagne. I'm not really that big into sweet drinks though. Happy 2026.
Yes, I can't believe it. Happy New Year, y'all.
Hey y'all, it's Paula Deen. Now, if you enjoyed this video, be sure to like it and click the subscribe button as well as the notification bell to be alerted when I post a video. Love and best dishes, y'all.